Hi guys, hello and welcome to my studio. I'm Vampire Empire from Israel. Just recently had my new album with Tandava Records. It's a Psytrance. You can check it out on Beatport and I'll add the links down below. The album called Balance. Okay, so today we came here to check the new plugin by G-Sonic. It's called Psychill. And this Psychill has many options to play with because you can put it as a guitar, as a bass line, as a synth, to put it as an atmosphere. You can really play with that. And also you have many knobs that you can, tweak a bit and to change the sound. Yeah, so let's check it out.
Alright guys, so yeah, as you can see, this is the Psychill, designed very beautiful. On the left side we can see the LFO rate and LFO depth, so we can tweak it and to change it from pitch to expression to panning and to none if you like. Also we have the envelope in here, filter selection, which is very good. We have the low pass and high pass and we can cut the frequencies with this knob. And panning, of course, glide, space, volume. We can choose it as poly and also mono or legato, the instrument, and the quality of the instrument, but we all prefer the high, don't we? So we keep it high. And we can change by many instruments in here. It moves from piano, flutes, guitars, atmosphere sounds such as DMT, digital bell. Many instruments to play with. So first thing first, and of course the piano. Always like it. So first thing first, let's hear the Psychill itself. Just the Psychill. Nice. So I tweaked it a bit and it was only 3 sounds that I played, but you can change it and give it a different vibe with the sound. So that was one channel of the Psychill, but right now I want to play together three Psychills. So the first one you heard, this one is the second one. Wait a sec, yeah. And this one is the third. Yeah, and each of them can take different, spectrum of the sound to put it as low, mid, high, and together they bring great atmosphere to the track. So let's hear them all together. I will play with just the main one, the one I already play with. I'll put it as Ambiland and I'll go down with the instruments so you can hear few. Yeah, right, so let's hear them all good together. Alright. Alright, so yeah, I played with a few instruments. We have many more to play with, and tweaked it a bit, but as you can see, it's give you the psychedelic atmosphere to the track, and with 3 channels of it, it does the job. So that was the first thing I wanted to show you. The second thing I wanted to show you is to put the Psychill with kind of another layer for the bass. It goes for the, let's say, low mid section. So let me open it up. The Psychill itself, only the Psychills sound like this. So this one is the first channel of Psychill, the second one is this one. Okay, psychedelic atmosphere check. And together it sounds like this. Very nice. So yeah, Psychill give you, like I said, a psychedelic atmosphere. So this one is the Psychill by Gsonic, and you can find it on Gsonic website. It's a new plugin by them. You can check it out and see many more plugins on the website. So I hope you like the video. I am Vampire Empire from Israel, and thank you very much for your time. So I'll see you around. Bye bye.